Hi everyone! Kasama ko ngayon yung mga managers dito sa FAMA Conference. So tanungin natin sila kung bakit sila nag full-time financial advisor at manager. At ano yung trabaho nila dati before jumping into this insurance industry.
Achievement pa agad.
Sir JB!
Hi guys!
Pwede ba kitang...
JM De Guzman po ako.
Ay, grabe. Sayang. Ulat.
Ay, sorry.
JM! Bakit ka nga pala nag full-time financial advisor? Di ba celebrity ka?
Hindi po tayo celebrity.
Oo.
So hi guys! So I'm JB De La Peña po. Dati po akong banker sa isa sa pinakamalaking bangko sa buong Pilipinas kung saan we find ways. Pero I find ways here in AI Philippines kasi nandito yung time flexibility. Gusto ko marami akong time para sa aking unika iha.
Oh, so talagang hindi lang about the money yung hinahanap ng mga tao, no?
Oo, syempre,
or family time.
Considering na nasa na tayo, kumbaga bank officer na din sa bangko, no. So it's not just the money, no. It's more on yung family na hindi mo mabibili, hindi mo na mababalik pa na yung mga time na nawawala mo kung nasa office ka or halos maghapon kang nagtatrabaho. Masarap pa rin yung kasama mo yung anak mo na nagtatrabaho, every milestone na na-achieve niya, na doon ka para sa kanya.
Wow, thank you so much. Touch na touch kami dyan siguro pag marami ring mga parents na makaka-relate dito sa iyo. Thank you, Sir JB.
Thank you, manager.
Eric, so parang busy ka dyan. So pwede ba kitang ma-interview?
Pwede naman.
Oh, kasi napakinggan ko kanina na full-time financial advisor at manager ka na rin dito sa AIA. So ano bang trabaho mo dati at na-encourage ka na dito na mag-focus sa insurance industry?
Ayun, I'm Eric Samay, no? Yun nga, full-time UM in AIA. I'm an HR by profession before ako mag-full-time. So I decided kasi during that time talaga, hindi nala ng pandemic, na-enjoy ko yung nasa bahay na ako. Working from home. At the same time, tapos ilang araw lang sa company. So, pwede, sarap na kasama mo yung pamilya mo. No, nai-enjoy mo yung mga school, yan, masasama mo yung mga bata. Yan lang din talaga ang pinaka-ano ko, yun sa decision making. Yung oras ko sa pamilya. At the same time, yun. Syempre, pag I decided kung ito ay matatapatan or mas matataasan pa yung na-receive ko na salary as an HR professional. So, nataasan niya naman. Or natapatan din.
Wow, so
Yeah.
nakaka-encourage naman yung sharing mo, sir, no? So talagang kung tatapatan tapos kasama mo yung pamilya mo, yun na yung kukunin mong na opportunity.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Sir Eric.
Welcome!
So Sir James.
Hi.
Grabe ito si Sir James. Last time kasama ko to as sales head sa isang training namin. So Sir James, ano namang major turnaround mo or turning point? Bakit nag-decide ka pumasok na rin sa agency force as manager?
Yes, hi. I'm James Velasquez as mentioned ni Tin. So it's true, I was sales head of AIA for 10 years and I'm on my third year now as unit manager. The question was, what made me decide, di ba? What made me decide to resign and now go full-time as unit manager of AIA Philippines? Well, it's very simple. Thinking ahead and planning ahead, being an employee will not allow you to own that particular company you work with. My dream is really to have my own company. Now, I am not a millionaire. Hindi ako pinanganak na mayaman. So wala akong capital to start my own business. But there's AIA who will provide everything for me. Capitalization, product, the training, everything. So what do I need to do? Just invest my time, not money. And this is it, AIA Philippines. Join us!
Thank you so much, Sir James!
Welcome!
Ayan, so kung naghahanap ka rin ng opportunity kung saan mas makakasama mo yung iyong pamilya or magkaroon ng work-life balance, and katulad rin ni Sir James kung nabanggit mo rin, gusto mo rin magtayo ng sarili mong company, susubukan mo rin umattend ng aming Business Opportunity Program, baka ito na yung nararapat na opportunity na babagay rin sa pangarap mo. So comment down below or you can send me a message.